And then all of a sudden it just took off. And hit that subscribe button, guys. And turn on that bell notification and you'll be getting a lot more of these videos. Wait till we get this sucker tuned. She's gonna be ripping. Today we're up on the mountain. We're trying to figure out how to set this boondocker box and adjust the fuel pressure and do a little clutching. My clutching is not too bad. I think it's just the box figuring out the fuel. I haven't spent a whole lot of time on this sled, but our viewers want to see the monster run, so we're gonna get it running, do some shoots, do some pulls, get you some good vids on this thing running. Hopefully I can get it running good. Been adjusting the box, turning the fuel way up on the top end. I'm getting 8100 RPM, 12 pounds of boost. That part I like, so my clutching is fairly close. Not back shifting 100% where I'd like it. This is some good progress. I'm not getting too smoking hot, so we're just going to do a quick plug check to correspond with my AGTs, like I've taught in the other videos. So let's just check it out. So if you can see that color, we got a really light brownish. There's a wee little white tip on there. So yeah, it's close. I mean, my AGTs are saying 1340 or 1370, 1340, but they are on the Y, so you can get a little hotter there. I still got to adjust the fuel a little more. I would like that a little fatter. That's just a short little pull, so if I want to hold it wide open and do some chute climbing, I'm going to have to get her tuned a little better. I'm getting too hot still on just even a little pull. I got to be able to hold it wide open for at least 15-20 seconds without it getting hot, but I'm good for 3. Not super lean. I mean, it's not blow up, which is lean, but it's it could use some more fuel. I'm making some progress today. I'm happy. You can't tune a sled in a day, especially a one-offer like this guy. The first boondocker box I had on there was from an M7. It was modified to work on this motor, but it wasn't good. So I had Brett Linderman ask Boondocker, Pete at Boondocker, which is the man, to build me a box. He did. Now I just got to figure it out. So it's way better on fuel, but I just don't know how to adjust it. I apologize, guys. I'm not an electronic guy. Good with the stalkers. I will figure this thing out. I just need some time, but I'll get it. It's like a good marriage, guys. It takes some time to perfect.